Pacific Island Scrapbook, written and photographed by Angie and Andy Belcher.
Vanuatu, the country. Dear Gran, my holiday in Vanuatu was great. The weather was hot and sticky. I visited different islands and met lots of people. I made you a scrapbook to show you the things I saw and learnt. Love from Amy. Vanuatu has 83 islands, which stretch over 1,300 kilometres. The islands were formed millions of years ago when underwater volcanoes were pushed to the Earth's surface. Some of the volcanoes are still active. Coral reefs grow around many of the islands. The reefs are made by tiny animals that grow hard shells to protect them. It takes millions and millions of these shells to build a reef. Port Vila. Port Vila is the capital of Vanuatu. It's on Awhati Island. There are lots of shops and cafes here. There's also a huge market that sells food, flowers, and souvenirs. You can buy hundreds of different types of shells there too. Village life. Whole families live together in the villages. Many of them grow food in their gardens and catch fish from their canoes. What they don't eat themselves, they sell at the market. Rivers are important because people use them for drinking, swimming, and washing. My new friends told me stories while the washing dried on the warm stones. I visited my new friends at school. We walked on stilts and played volleyball on the beach. A traditional village. Some people choose to live the traditional way in villages that haven't changed for hundreds of years. Their houses are made from palm leaves. The children learn to weave, carve, dance, play the pan flute, and look after the gardens. Me holding a pan flute. This girl is holding a carved pole. This old man is weaving some rope. A boy washing clothes. Festivals. Festivals celebrate special events. On Pentecost Island, people celebrate a good yam harvest by land diving. Land diving is like bungee jumping. Was this the first bungee jump? Each year on Ambrim Island, the Rom dance takes place. The dancers dress up in banana leaf costumes and wear huge masks. The masks are amazing. On Tanna Island, the villagers celebrate boys becoming men and girls becoming women. Everyone dresses up. The villagers painted my face. We danced all night. Language. More than 105 different languages are spoken in Vanuatu. Bislama is the language everyone can speak. I learnt some words in Bislama. Animals. Lots of animals live on the islands. Flying foxes are really bats. They live in the trees and are good to eat. Pigs are a sign of wealth. They are eaten on special occasions. Some people keep parrots as pets. Plants. Our bush guide showed us plants that can cure colds, poison fish, and make bows and arrows for hunting. These plants are really useful. Some plants have many uses, like coconuts. You can drink the milk, burn the husk for firewood, weave the leaves from the tree, eat the flesh, carve the shell,